Welcome back to another video. Today we got another video. We got the road noises over there, we got the generators over there, so it is what it is. This is how it's gonna be just for a little bit until I get to a point where I can go inside and be on my own. But today we got a question, a subscriber question, and the question went like this. They asked me, Casey, should I sell my Amazon position so that I can buy into Moderna stock, or rather Pfizer stock? And I don't want to address that question directly. I want to address the pathology, as I will call it, of a question like that. And that is the lack mindset. And that is the mindset of, if I have one thing, I cannot have another thing. Or in other words, this Amazon stock is about $3,000 and I only make $50,000. If I were to have a conversation with that mindset, it would sound something like this. They would ask me, Casey, should I sell my Amazon position so that I can buy into Pfizer? And I would say something along the lines of, why would you sell them? If you like both of those companies, why don't you just buy into both of those companies? The mindset would tell us, because I only make $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 a year, and $3,000 is a lot of money. So I need to take my $3,000, my limited money, and take it from Amazon and put it into Pfizer. And I would say, who told you that you only make $60,000, $70,000 a year? The mindset would tell us, well, my job tells me that. That's what my salary is. And I would say to that message, and you were dumb enough to believe them. So what do I mean by all that? What I mean is we need to have an abundance mindset. There is no limit to the amount of money out there. If you don't believe me, ask Congress. If you don't believe me, ask the Federal Reserve. They're about to print around $1 trillion. Money is created from thin air all of the time. So the only limiter on how much of it you can have is your innate ability and how much of it you demand and how much of it you can make yourself worth. And most people never even reach their potential as far as how much they can demand, as far as their actual physical potential, their mental capacity. So the answer to the question, I would say, no, you should not sell your shares in Amazon stock. You should not sell your shares so that you can go buy Pfizer. What you should do is analyze those companies, make sure that you like both of them, and then buy positions in both of them, because one, that's going to give you more diversification. That's going to make you more in the mindset of an owner. If you like both of the companies for the long term, you might as well collect the dividends from Pfizer. You might as well own a big portion of Amazon, and then you'll be rich like Jeff Bezos, and we'll both kick up in a hammock when we're 50, 60, 70 years old. So anyways, hopefully you guys like this video. Hopefully you guys like this mindset. And like I said, guys, there is no limit to how much money you can make out there. Just because your boss, just because your company, your job, you're just over broke, told you how much money you're worth, that doesn't mean anything. You are worth an infinite amount of money, and that is set by you. Set your own wages out there, because if you let somebody else set your wages, they're going to tell you something less than what you can produce. And the last thing I wanted to go over is the poor mindset. So poor mindset, what does that mean to me? POOR, passing over opportunities repeatedly. That's what that means to me. So what are the opportunities out there? There are plenty of opportunities out there. There's opportunities online. There's opportunities on side hustles. Got plenty of those opportunities here on the channel, and just keep on searching. The key to getting to where you want to be, to where you're owning large stakes in those companies, is just not being satisfied with where you are. Not being satisfied with just owning one house, 2 houses, 3 houses. Get out there, own a lot of real estate, own a lot of businesses. So anyways, hopefully this is an inspirational message to you guys all, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys join the Facebook if you haven't already, and I'm just repeating myself at this point. I'll see you guys. Peace.